guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Danielle. Welcome back. How you been? We're having a whole family reunion, okay? But anyways, I'm gonna be installing a wig. You already saw about the thumbnail, about the title, about the everything, okay? So the reason why you're set up this way is because I'm like looking in the mirror right here. That's why, because it's the only mirror we have in this room that's convenient for mom hair, whatever. So bear with me, okay? I'm trying my best, okay? So y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna be talking in this video. I think I'm just gonna, I don't know if I want to talk or just do the thing and move on with my business. But if you haven't seen my previous video, my previous video was about me bleaching and plucking this wig. So if you're interested in watching that, go ahead and watch it. It's gonna be linked in the description box as always. All my video will be linked, all my recent video I should say. Yeah, so that video will be most definitely out. I'm in the process of editing that video right now after this. So after I'm done with my hair, it's gonna be out before this video, I know that for sure. So go ahead and watch that. But I'm basically laying my edges down right now and using this just to lay my edges down. I barely have edges these days, so you know, we got to keep what we have. Yeah, so I'm using 2 cap. Don't come for me, don't be asking me why you're using 2 cap. Like I said, I want to keep my edges, so I want to do a ball cap method. But the other thing that I'm debating, I'm about to take this wig up real quick, like in 2 days, because I have to braid my hair down. Like you can see, my hair is not braided down. I cannot braid my own hair down this time because I have long nails, of course. So I'm going home this weekend, so my mom's supposed to be helping me braid my hair down. And plus I want to wear my natural hair braided down, just in case when I don't have a wig to put on, or when I need my scalp to breathe. Plus I'm trying out this oil right here, and then this spray is somewhere over there. We're not even gonna get into all that. But yeah, so I wanted my hair to be braided down so I can be able to access it when I need to. So thinking about that right now, I don't even think I'm gonna do ball cap method. I'm not gonna lie, I think I'm gonna just leave my cap right here. But before all that, you know the drill. You saw my wig install before. I use this palette that I got from the beauty supply store, and I think you can get this anywhere, or you can use your foundation. I usually use the dark shade, like these dark shades right here. Just blend it on. You're just trying to get close to your skin tone. And yeah, that's it. I think I'm gonna stop talking and just show you guys the process. Yo, I have so much stuff to do. I have an exam to take right after this. It's a process.
Is that my bestie in a testy? Fresh blowout, skin on town, she ready. She look good with a T at the end. I'm a hyper every time.
Alright, y'all, now I need to put makeup on the list, y'all. I'm over it, but yeah, I need to put makeup on the list.
Guess what? All the rich boys wanna could look, don't touch. And I'm bad, bustin' bands every time we link up.
That my best friend, she a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no nigga on the dance floor. She had 2, 3.
All right, y'all, now we reached the glue part. My bad, I'm making 2 separate videos, so if I miss some steps, it's probably in the other video, and it's gonna be on my TikTok. My TikTok will be on my screen, on the screen, so go ahead and follow me on TikTok. But I started using 2 separate glues now, like 2 different glue, I should say. Sometimes I use them by themselves, but recently I've been using 2 different glue. I've been using the Bomb Baby, and I made a review about that. It actually do works, and it's my all-time favorite, the Urban Wonderlace Bond glue. I always use that. I used that before I got introduced to the Bomb Baby glue, but I still use both. I'm running out of the Bomb Baby glue, but they're expensive, so I don't think I'm gonna be buying anymore till like, I don't know when I get money or something, but they're a little on the high side. So if you're somebody who looking to invest in a good glue but affordable, you want to start doing lace and stuff, I recommend buying this one. I think it's like $13 in the beauty supply store. If you want me to do a comparison with the two glue, like try it for 1 week, try both for 1 week and see and give you guys review, I can do that. So you can like, because it all depends on the quality, it all depends on the glue. Yeah, so now that I applied 2 layers of that, I basically go in and apply my urban glue. I should not even be doing this because I told you I'm about to take this wig up real soon, and this both matted, this 2 glue together, it make my lace stay, okay?
She twerking, she throw it out and come back in.
That's my best friend. She a real bad drive her own car. She don't need no lift in the strip club. No, my girl gon' tip. Now she twerking, she throw it out and come back in.
Now my best friend, if you need a freak, I ain't dumb but motherfucker, she my Tweedledee. If she ride for me, she don't need a key. If you sideways, you straight and you would need a B. And she's so bad that I just can't take that bitch nowhere. She off her fish, I said, don't go there. Let's break her back, she protect and attack. Get that strap, let them buckle, foot on neck, give no air. Whole world wanna be us. Then my main, she my day one. On my way, let you get drunk and celebrate. Cause we the baddest in the club, that's my best friend. She a real bad, got her own money. She don't need no nigga on the dance floor. She had 2-3 drinks, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in.
That's my best friend. She a real bad drive her own car. She don't need no lift in the strip club. No, my girl gon' tip. Now she twerking, she throw it out and come back in hot. Best friend, you the baddest and you know it. Uh-oh, girl, I think our booty growing. Get up in the mirror, hit them poses. Best friends and you glowing. Best friends and your wrist is like it's frozen. Uh-oh, girl, I think our booty growing. Get up in the mirror, hit them poses. Best friends, you
Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the tea on me, I steady nosy. Steady put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas own me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, dope trace in a race, they can't hold me. Then I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turn to soil, and I grew up about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. Outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace.
Hey you guys, I forgot to make an outro for this video, but that's basically what the outcome of this wig looked like. I did a no edges look, so if you want to see how I achieved this flawless makeup look, stay tuned for that video. It's going to be coming right after this video. It's linked in the description box as always, so go ahead and watch that after. But I was just coming on here to say that because I'm editing right now and I just realized I did not record that. I'm so sorry, y'all.